Hello everybody, what's up? This is gonna be another review slash get ready with me, and we're gonna do two palettes today. They're both BH Cosmetics. My light's gonna fall, my tiny little light. I don't know what to do with it. I think I'm just gonna shut it off because it's bright enough in here now. It's gonna be the BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes, and then we're gonna do something with the new BH Cosmetics Aurora lights, which I freaking love. Like, I can't say enough good stuff about this. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys in just a little closer. Sorry about the earthquake. I'm gonna try not to. Okay. I don't want to bring you in super close because you don't want to see all of this. Okay, so I've tried something a little different with my eyes today. I've used the Benefit Gimme Brow in medium deep. Right along here is just basically like a mascara. Then I primed with my original Urban Decay. Nope, I lied. Sorry, this is the anti-aging eyeshadow primer. And then I went in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm gonna have to tell you everything that I've used because I did do this video and then my husband called. So yeah, I don't edit because I'm technologically challenged. All right, so I used my BH Cosmetics 119 tapered brush and I went in with this color all over just for a transition and a base. And then I used my Moda Pro, I don't know if this is Royal Nickel brush or not, but it's a crease brush. It's the BMX 430 crease brush, and I went in with this color. Then I used my e.l.f. blending brush, and I went in with this guy, and now we're doing pink on this, I don't know, nice brush, and it's gonna be this pink right here. That's where we are. So now you can follow along and keep up, and I'm just kind of like, my mirror's over here, so I'll be looking over here. Just kind of like, because I want to do kind of like a pink purple look, but I want it to be more like, I don't know yet what I'm doing. Because normally when I do these, I do one side, so I have the look down, and then I copy it on the other side so we can review things. But today I thought I'd just go all in with you guys. Let me know if you like it down below. Now, the thing that I love about the Modern Mattes is it's extremely blendable. If you hear snoring, it's my dog. He's passed out upside down, so if you hear snoring, I'm sorry. I do love how blendable the colors are and how nice they feel, and I got that everywhere. We'll clean that up later. Like I said, I do like how soft they are and how easily they blend, and you don't have to like really work at it, because I have super sensitive eyes, so the more I work at it, the less happy they are. So I just like to really keep them happy so that they want to wear my eyeshadow. And as you can see, like this one is like really super crepey. It's not happy. It's not a happy eye. Never has been. All right, now let's see. What do I want to do? Do I want to stop there, or do I want to add a little something else? I think I'm gonna take this little guy, which is a smaller version of the one that I just used, and I think, ouch, I'm gonna go in with this light pink right here, just on the inner part of my eye. I'm trying to stay up close so you guys can see what I'm doing. Someday I'll get it right. Just gonna go right in here, kind of blend it out a little bit. I'm hoping this is translating. I don't know, maybe I should have turned my light on. These do not have a lot of fallout. They do have some kick up in the pan. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see what I'm talking about. Like, see the chunks right there? Right here in this pink one? Yeah, it does have some kick up, but it's not super, super bad. It's not like really intense or anything. And I usually just pick up those chunks and use it anyway. Just gonna blend that out just because I want it to be, there we go, super light. Still really like blended out, so it looks like that. And you can stop here if you want. I mean, this is kind of a pretty look, but I want to get into this one. So we're gonna. So I have played around with this Aurora Lights palette quite a bit. And I can tell you for a fact that the shadows in here are ridiculously pigmented. They have a wicked staying power. I think the only thing that I used with the one look that I did, and I know for a fact that it was on for 13 hours. And if you follow me on Instagram, which is BethKira3, you saw the look, you know what I'm talking about. I use my NYX glitter primer. I know these aren't technically glitters, but it's also like a glue, so it should help everything stay in place. Okay, so there's so many colors, you guys. There's so many colors. Like, I could go in so many different directions. I don't even know what I want to do. I don't even know. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna just, I have no idea what I'm doing. Don't have any idea. We're just gonna do something. All right, I think the first color I'm gonna take, I really don't have a clue, is gonna be, I feel like everybody does purple and pink, but I think we're gonna go in with Shining, which is this guy. Oops, right here, this one. We're gonna go in with that one. I'm gonna take my Crown C513, which is my little pencil brush. We're gonna go into Shining. We're gonna get a little bit on the brush. We're gonna go right out here. And I don't see anything. Okay. Let's get some more then. Okay, I'm seeing something, I think. Can you guys see anything? I'm not seeing anything. That's disappointing because that's a gorgeous like burgundy color. Oh, nope, there it is. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't have done pink over it first. So I'm going to take that. On this side, I do have to hold a little bit because for whatever reason, this is the most crepey side of my stupid eyeballs. Which makes me so angry. Alright, that is blending out really nice. It is really kind of pigmented. I can see it now. It's buildable, at least, which is good. We're just going to go right up into the crease with it. We're going to kind of over-exaggerate my eye shape today. See, can you see it now? Yeah, there we go. This one, for whatever reason, is a little bit more crumbly than the other ones that I've used. It has a little bit more fallout and kick up than the other ones I've used. And this is not a super, like, dense brush. Well, yeah, it is kind of hard. Okay. I take that back. But, I mean, that's looking pretty good. I'm pretty excited about that look. Okay, next I want to take, don't know if I want to go in with the purple, then the pink. Yeah, we're gonna take this color, which is called Vibrant. And I need another pencil brush with a nice point on it because that's how I like it. And we're gonna take one that looks like this. Nice point. We're gonna go right into Vibrant, which is kind of like another purple color. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that. And we're gonna go right in here. Okay. Holy craptastic. Yeah, alright. We're gonna go right back into Shining, which is that red that I laid down. Kind of like Bertie's. Can you guys see the pieces right there? So it does have some fallout, but it's not like horrible. Alright, well, that color absolutely came out to play. That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't think this is a look I could wear at work. Although I do wear a lot of crazy stuff at work, so what am I saying? You probably could totally do it. They don't seem to care what my eyes look like as long as I'm probably not like... They don't really seem to care. Never mind. Alright, we're going to pull just a tiny bit. And I don't want to go all the way down. I want to stop right about here because I do want to make the inner corner really bright. I'm just gonna make sure that I stay, and I gotta exaggerate that up a little bit. Because I do have slightly hooded eyes, more to do with my age and my body size than anything else really. See, that's looking pretty good. I'm pretty excited about that. I'll do just a tiny bit more purple on this side though. Or fuchsia. I guess it's technically fuchsia. Alright, next, what do I want to do? I think I'm going to go in with silver. I'm going to be really, or am I? Yeah, no, I am. Alright, so this is called Flashing. That's what I'm going to go with. That's going to go in the inner corner. And I may put a topper on top of that. That's got a pink tinge to it. I'm trying to figure out what I want. I'm going to go with one of my really, really small. As soon as I clean it, of course. Because all my brushes are disgusting. So it looks like that. It's a very small brush. I'm going to go into Flashing. So I got small brush. Let's see what happens. Reserving judgment until I'm done. Maybe I should have done a white base first. It's not, I don't know what's happening right now. I don't know if the purple is transferring into it, which I think is exactly what's happening. Because it's not silver at all. It's not silver at all. I'm becoming disappointed with this. It looked so awesome in the pan. It looked super pigmented. And it's kind of not. It's kind of taking the color of the other eyeshadow next to it. I mean, maybe that's because the eyeshadow's too... Yeah, like, my brush is now purple. Maybe that was a setting spray kind of deal. I've never had that happen before, to be honest. Alright, so I'm just going to go in with this then. I like that. I mean, it's doing something kind of cool when I blend it, like right there. But that's not the look I want. I wanted it silver. Well, it's kind of making it like a gradient almost. Except this side. Like this side, look at that. That's like crystal clear and clean cut. Where the silver is. And this eye is absolutely not. Huh. Interesting. Like this part blended gorgeous. Like you can't tell where the red is and the purple begins. This one though, like I wanted it more intense. Or I guess brighter as silver. Maybe what I need to do then is to add a topper on it. Because the first row of these colors are toppers. So I was thinking I would either go in with Ombre or Kaleidoscope, which is a light pink. I think... Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I think I'm going to go in with the Ombre. Just on a little angle brush. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Okay. I was raving about this palette, but I guess this color combination's a bust because it's not doing anything that I want it to do. And it could be my error too. Like I said, I don't have a clue at all what I'm doing. And I've got Wicked Fallout all over down through here. So obviously do this first. My problem is like the purple. Okay, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this. I'm gonna show you. Do you see the purple now in my white? It's transferring to everything. So I'm wondering if what you should do is a glitter primer, which I did not put on my eyes this time, and then a setting spray to really set that color in there for you. It's gonna give it a little bit more, and I'm gonna leave it because I can't help it anymore. I'm just making it worse. It's not a bad eye look, but it's definitely not my favorite. All right, we're just gonna call it a day on that, and we're gonna try a different look. We're gonna go in now with my Essence Princess Lash False Lash Effect Mascara and black. This one I do really like. This is a drugstore. Just because I don't want to spend a ton of money on mascara only to have it go out in 6 months. So that's where I'm at with that. And it does have a nice wand. It does get in there and really separate my lashes. The only downside with this one is it does transfer a little bit, which I hate. Especially when you work so hard to have such a nice look. Only to have it fall and transfer and not look all that great. Okay, so the look is done. My final thoughts are, I think I made the error. I don't think it's the palette itself. As you can see, there is definite purple in there, which is not what I like. So I think it was more my error than the palette error. I think I should definitely put down a primer or a setting spray or something to kind of lock those colors in place so that they didn't transfer like that. But I mean, because overall I do absolutely love this palette. I love it so much, you guys. Like, you don't understand. The staying power and the colors in here are just absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to quickly swatch the colors that I used today so you guys can see them kind of by themselves. So those are the colors that we used. That was a really crappy swatch. So this is the topper right here. You can, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. I don't think so. And then this is Shining, and then that's Vibrant. I really should stop swatching or get better at swatching or something. So that's what we've used on the eyes. This is the eye look that I've come up with. It's not great. I'm not entirely happy with it, but it's not horrible. And like I said, it's more my error than the palette error. So if you like this video, thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I would love to have you guys as part of my viewing family. I appreciate each and every one of you. Comment down below. I love interacting with you guys. I love it when you guys ask questions or tell me things. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And make sure you hit the bell so that you're always notified. I do try to upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And if I can't get those days, it would be the day before or the day after. I'm sorry this is not a better look. Again, it's just, I'm sure it's my error. And we'll do another one. So until next time, you guys, bye.